If you see a question like calculate the area of a part around the circular lake or your next math exam, do not panic. Most students often freeze here, but today I'm going to be showing you a simple three-step trick to smash this problem in less than a minute. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tutor John The Scientist, and today we are going to be mastering plain mensuration. If you want to make math and science look easy, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching me from Facebook or TikTok, endeavor to follow my page, like this video, and also share this video to your friends. Alright, so now let's take a look at the question critically. Calculate the area of the part in a circular lake of diameter 8 meters if the part is 1 meters wide. What do we do next? Simple solution. So first of all, after having this, you need to have a resulting diagram, a rough sketch of what the question actually implies. So the question is the diameter of the big circle is 8 meter and the part is 1 meter wide, as you can see here. So now what do we do next? We try to break it down, So the resulting diagram, we have a radius of the big circle to be 4 and the radius of the small circle, which is the one inside, to be 3. So now we impute the formula to calculate this. Of course, the formula to calculate the area will be the area of the big circle minus the area of the small circle, which of course the formula for calculating area of a circle is pi times square times the radius squared. Alright, so now moving on, in this case we are going to be factoring out pi because we can see that pi is common on both sides. So this will imply pi into bracket big arrow minus small arrow, big R minus small r squared. And so moving on, we impute the values. We have pi into bracket 4 squared minus 3 squared. And if we use the difference of two square method, we have 4 plus 3 times 4 minus 3. That is if we are asked to use without calculators. So the answer is 7. So therefore, the area of the part of this circular lake is 7. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video, also follow me for more. I will see you in the next one.